Today, we are taking a look at why facts spoken without moral causality are just noise. Okay? Just noise. Noise. my daughter, my daughter likes saying noise. Facts spoken without moral causality are just noise. They don't amount to much more than filler brain food, right? So let's get into it. I want to start with a question that may sound a little simple, but isn't. My question is, and let me make myself a little bit bigger here. There we go. Question is, why does history keep producing the same kinds of tragedy? Why is that? Not the same events. The specific names, dates, weapons, and actors always change, but the pattern, you know, empire, extraction, atrocity, collapse, and repeat.